Hey guys, we're talking hand washing. We're here at a local bakery today and we want to go over the specific steps on how to wash those hands. Now, the World Health Organization agrees that the #1 way to stop the spread of bacteria, germs, and disease is through practicing proper hand washing technique. So we do want to go through each step to help ensure that we keep ourselves, our families, our colleagues, and our customers safe. Now, when done properly, these techniques should apply to all of us, whether we're at home, at a public setting, at an office, or in a kitchen like we have here today. So we all think we know how to wash our hands, but do we know how to do it correctly? Let's get after it and go find out. And there you have it. Follow these steps to help ensure that you and those around you stay safe.